It's our newest Dura flip tri-folding hardtop cover. It's our latch system with the quick latch with the magnets. These are our corner gussets. They're aluminum, meant to hold the frame intact so there's no separation on any of the corners. That's on all the corners. It's our LED strip light. And here you have a hard piece of rubber that keeps the latch from impacting any dents in the surface of the fiberglass sheeting on the front panel. It's our quick front latch system. It's a marine snap cord. All plastic materials are UV stable. Good for hot and cold temperatures. There we got it.